Class 10 students, today we are going to discuss the two important topics of chemical reactions, the two types of chemical reactions, that is combination reaction and second is decomposition reaction. The first is combination reaction. What is a combination reaction? Any combination chemical reaction, a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single compound. Two or more substances. The reactant side may be two substances or more substances, and the product side there will be only one substance. So two or more substances combine to give a single compound, a single substance. The two or more substances that may be elements or compounds. So a chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single compound, that is called as combination reaction. The reactant side, the two substances, and the product side is a single substance, that is a single compound. So that the product side is a large compound and the reactant side that is smaller compounds. So see the example reactions. 2H2 plus O2 that gives to 2H2O. 2H2 plus O2 gives you H2O. Hydrogen in gas form, oxygen in gas, and this is water, that is 2H2O liquid. Second example is CaO, calcium oxide, in solid form plus H2O, liquid form, gives CaOH2, aqueous form. So CaO plus H2O gives CaOH2. 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO2. This O2 is also gas. SO2 gas form, O2 is gas, and SO2 is gas. Next example reaction is C plus O2 that gives to CO2. C in solid form, O2 in gas form, and CO2 in gas form. So these all are examples of combination reaction. So you see that the reactant side is the smaller substances, that is either it may be element or compound, but it is smaller, and the product side is bigger, that is because two or more substances combine to give a single substance. So that single substance, that product is naturally that is a large compound. So this is combination reaction. Now the second is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a single compound breaks down into simpler substances. A single compound, bada compound, that is a single compound, large compound, that breaks into smaller compounds, that breaks into smaller substances, or simpler, that is simpler, so that the single large compound breaks down. So the single large compound, that is a complex compound, and when it breaks down, that becomes the simpler, So reactant side is a large compound and the product side are the smaller compound. So you see that combination reaction and decomposition reaction, they are just opposite to each other. Combination is the combination, combine, and decomposition is the breakdown. So combine and breakdown, they are just opposite to each other. Now there are three types of decomposition reactions. The first is thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat. Thermal means heat, temperature. So when the decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, the decomposition reaction is carried out by heating. So that special particular decomposition reaction is known as thermal decomposition. So you see the example CaCO3 when it is heated. This is the heat sign. This is the heat sign. So CaCO3 when heated, it breaks down into CaO and CO2. Calcium carbonate when heated, it breaks down into calcium oxide and CO2. This sign is the liberation of gas. Liberation, when gas is liberated during a chemical reaction, then this upward arrow sign is given. And this is the sign of heat or temperature. So calcium carbonate gives, when heated, it gives calcium oxide and calcium carbon dioxide. So this decomposition reaction is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Now the second case is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. So electrolytic decomposition, what is that? This is also a special case of decomposition reaction, and it is carried out when by passing electricity. When the decomposition reaction is carried out by passing electricity. When the electricity is passed, a substance breaks down into simpler substances, then that is known as electrolytic decomposition. When H2O, the water, when an electric current is passed through it, then it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. So it breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. And one experiment is given in your NCERT book, that in a mug water is taken and two electrodes are inserted, and that electric current is passed through it. Then the two test tubes are inverted over the electrodes. So in one is cathode and one is anode. So on one electrode, this hydrogen gas is collected, and on test tube, and one test tube, oxygen gas is liberated. So this is the breakdown of water when electric current is passed through it. So this is called as electrolytic decomposition. Now the third case is photochemical decomposition. What is photochemical? Photo means light. Photo means light. This photo means light. So when the decomposition reaction takes place in presence of light. When the decomposition reaction takes place in presence of light, then that type of decomposition reaction is known as photochemical decomposition reaction. Because it takes place in the presence of sunlight. Now example reaction is 2AgCl. In presence of sunlight, that gives 2Ag plus Cl2. 2Ag plus Cl2. 2AgCl is in solid form, and this 2Ag is also in solid form, and Cl2 in gas form. So when silver chloride is left in sunlight, then the color changes. The color is changed and this becomes grey. This experiment is also given in your NCERT book, and go through that. When a dish, the silver chloride is left, then this color of that silver chloride changes to grey, becomes grey. So, and the second example is the silver bromide. Silver bromide also behaves in the same way just as the silver chloride. So 2AgBr in the presence of sunlight, it gives 2Ag plus Br2. 2Ag plus Br2. This reaction is used in black and white photography. In earlier days, the black and white photography was used. So in those days, this reaction was used, and this black and white photography. So this is all about the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So you go through this, and now you please write down from this whiteboard what I have written. You write the important points, and this is all about decomposition, combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So thank you.